Yeah, I'm talking about that royal soil. It's just like black gold, so we gotta stop treating it like dirt. Soil, royal soil, it's just like black gold. Soil, royal soil, our love for you's grown cold. Soil, royal soil, everything we have comes from it. The food in the sack, the clothes on your back, the royal soil done it. And with this in mind, I think it's time for giving the honor due. Soil's alive and from it we thrive, you know what I'm talking is true. Now here's the case, we're starting to waste the black gold and it's dear. For making an inch, it's taking the earth up to 1,000 years. And then in a haste we hurry and waste the soil we had in plenty. It brings me to tears, we're losing an inch in how many years? Just 20. For us to lose an inch that took the earth so long to make. Let it wash away creeks and streams while handing out handshakes. Now we got the royal soil every farmer alive craves. If we continue in our ways, the soil won't stay. This isn't a bash, I'm not being brash, just love for planet Earth. See, we gotta change and rearrange, stop treating her like dirt. Yeah, we gotta change and rearrange, stop treating her like dirt. We gotta change and rearrange, stop treating her like dirt. Soil, royal soil, it's just like black gold. Soil, royal soil, our love for you's grown cold.